chance it all. Back on the court, game time, street ball. दो हाथ हर रात सब साथ होने लगे चीर फाड़. You better ball hard. सारे भागे इतनी तेज खुद को छोड़ दिया पीछे. Back and forth round round ऊपर नीचे बस beat to beat करके shot 3-pointer. Heat बढ़ने लगी ball when ball is in the air. Kings play fair. Dunk पे dunk straight up in your face. No flops, no drops. Pitches सारे hit कभी old school style कभी pro to fit. Look at fit, super strong defense, all offense on court सारे skill enhanced. Full lever on, बढ़ने लगा thrill. Presenting Delhi Ink, you know the drill. कभी दपा कभी drives, सबके सब माहिर है. Champion will be one, एक बात जाहिर है. फिर भी हिम्मत टूटे ना, only one dream. Records पे records सारे तोड़ दिए दायरे. Ball पे street ball, huh? Let's play. One more time, let's dance it all. Back on the court, game time, street ball. दो हाथ हर रात सब साथ होने लगे चीर फाड़. You better ball hard. सारे भागे इतनी तेज खुद को छोड़ दिया पीछे. Back and forth round round ऊपर नीचे बस beat to beat करके shot 3-pointer. Heat बढ़ने लगी ball when ball is in the air. Kings play fair. Dunk पे dunk straight up in your face. No flops, no drops. Pitches सारे hit कभी old school style कभी pro to fit. Look at fit, super strong defense, all offense on court सारे skill enhanced. Full lever on, बढ़ने लगा thrill. Presenting Delhi Ink, you know the drill. कभी दपा कभी drives, सबके सब माहिर है. Champion will be one, एक बात जाहिर है. फिर भी हिम्मत टूटे ना, only one dream. Records पे records सारे तोड़ दिए दायरे. Ball baby ball ball, baby ball ball ball, baby ball ball, baby ball ball ball, baby ball ball, baby ball ball ball, baby ball, baby ball, baby ball. One more time, street ball, huh? Let's play. One more time, let's dance it all. Back on the court, game time, street ball. दो हाथ हर रात सब साथ होने लगे चीर फाड़. You better ball hard. सारे भागे इतनी तेज खुद को छोड़ दिया पीछे. Back and forth round round ऊपर नीचे बस beat to beat करके shot 3-pointer. Heat बढ़ने लगी ball when ball is in the air. Kings play fair. Dunk पे dunk straight up in your face. No flops, no drops. Pitches सारे hit कभी old school style कभी pro to fit. Look at fit, super strong defense, all offense on court सारे skill enhanced. Full lever on, बढ़ने लगा thrill. Presenting Delhi Ink, you know the drill. कभी दपा कभी drives, सबके सब माहिर है. Champion will be one, एक बात जाहिर है. फिर भी हिम्मत टूटे ना, only one dream. Records पे records सारे तोड़ दिए दायरे. Ball baby ball ball, baby ball ball ball, baby ball ball, baby ball ball ball, baby ball ball.
Ladies and gentlemen, we are back with the second match for the day between the Savai Tigers and the Espuerto Queens.
Yes.
This already seems to be an incredibly fast-paced match.
ये मैच के बारे में एक छोटी सी ट्रिविया जब दोनों देंगे कैप्टन जो हैं वो कोर्ट पर आए टॉस के लिए देन द कोच ऑफ एस्पोर्टो ट्वींस टोल्ड द कैप्टन फ्रॉम द कोच साइड से हेड्स तो उसने ऑब्वियसली हेड्स कहा बट इट टर्न्स आउट टू बी टेल एंड दिस इज द थर्ड कंसेक्यूटिव टाइम that she has lost a toss. That's a funny start to the game.
Must have been quite a bummer for her then. Sakshi with the ball and she drives in and oh my, misses. I find Sakshi to be a very, very balanced player.
Time left.
She manages to drive in, she manages to take deep threes, she has wonderful ball handling, and now she's at the free throw line. Charity shots. Let's make them.
Do you think she will make it?
She will. And she did.
She did. That is the opening point. इस गेम का पहला स्कोर. एंड इन दोनों टीम्स के अगर कोचेस की बात की जाए तो एस्पोर्टो क्वींस को मेंटर करती हुई इस वक्त तराशा एंड सवाई टाइगर्स की ओर से वो हैं एस्पोर्टो क्वींस की ओर से हैं ध्रुव बर्मन.
Dhruv is back on the floor.
Time left. 3 minutes 41 seconds.
We have 3 minutes 41 seconds left for the game, which means we're 2 minutes 40 seconds away from clutch time.
क्या मैथ्स है तुम्हारा यार. What amazing maths.
Very funny, Shivam.
बट आई थिंक उसके पहले ही आई थिंक ये पहली बार ऐसा होगा कि कोई गेम की शुरुआत के इतने कम समय के अंदर ही एक दूसरे को टीम्स को इतने जल्दी फाउल शॉट्स लेने मिल रहे हैं.
True, true. Both teams are
How
draining
important do you think is a
buckets.
toss in this streetball league?
It is important, yeah, because you set your entire game plan according to your toss. No, now if I'm in a team and I get my way in the toss, then
Time
I'm
left.
going to definitely go in
3
and
minutes,
charge.
23 seconds.
Because if I go in and
3
charge,
minutes 23 seconds.
back to where we were, we had a minute distraction. Shivam.
और लगे हाथ हम आपके कमेंट्स भी पढ़ रहे हैं. You know, it is great to see all of you engaging with us on SportVote app. And also let's talk about SportVote app for a second. It's amazing कि एक स्टेज जो स्ट्रीटबॉल लीग का है
2
जिसके
minutes,
चलते
50 seconds
इंडिया
to go.
में बास्केटबॉल लीग को
2
इतना
minutes,
बड़ा
50
एक प्लेटफॉर्म मिल रहा है
seconds to go.
उसको आगे सपोर्ट करते हुए SportVote app is doing a great thing.
Definitely, it's such an easy application to
Time
use. You
left.
just have to download it
2
and you can
minutes,
watch whatever you want to.
46 seconds
You
to
don't
go.
even have to create a login ID and any of that. So
That is the best part.
it is.
46 seconds.
वरना वो
trust.
कौन वेट करे यार ईमेल आईडी पुट करो then you will have to wait for the OTP
I
and all the
swear.
and the best part कि जैसे ही मैच खत्म होता है instantly वहाँ पर वो highlights पोस्ट हो जाती है and
Exactly.
it stays there till eternity. उससे
त्रास
कोई
कम हो जाता है यार.
पूरी तरह से.
I
And-
agree. Shivam, we were discussing about the toss before we had this minute
Yes, let's
distraction.
get back to the toss.
Yes. So I feel like the toss definitely plays a very big factor in the game because that is where you take everything forward from, right? तुम्हारा toss जैसे जाता है उसके हिसाब से तुम अपना game plan switch करते हो.
Yeah.
So toss is definitely very important.
But looking at the circumstances here at Streetball League, जहाँ तक मैंने observe किया है, दोनों ही teams I think, which is a very good thing also, कि toss पे ज़रा dependent नहीं रहती हैं,
Which is
Time
brilliant.
left. 2
which is
minutes,
very good.
10 seconds.
अगर हो गया तो that means it's good
2
for them,
minutes,
but नहीं हुआ तो
10
already have a plan B ready for them.
That is the level of players we have here. They are not
Absolutely.
dependent on a toss. They will rule the game, they'll take charge of the game and they'll turn the game the way they wish to.
Yeah. And also like there are some players in this league जो first season में किसी और team के लिए खेल रहे थे, इस season में वो दूसरी team के लिए खेल रहे हैं. So as an athlete yourself, I want to ask you, is
1
it easy
minute,
or is it difficult
54
or how
seconds to
difficult
go.
is it to get into a new team
1
and play the
minute,
same sport again? Because
54
आप 2
seconds
साल
to
में
go.
या फिर 2 seasons में 2 अलग franchise के लिए खेल रहे हो. So is it easy or is it tough?
Well, it's a little hard to get used to in the beginning because you're getting used to new faces, you're getting used to new game techniques, you're trying to adapt to your players' strengths and weaknesses.
1 minute.
So starting में थोड़ा
45
हो
seconds
जाता
to
है,
go.
but then eventually we get used to it. ना?
Time
थोड़ा,
left.
it
1
all
minute,
boils down to practice
45
makes man
seconds to
/ woman perfect.
Slash moment perfect. You know, जितना तेजी से स्कोर बोर्ड दौड़ रहा है दोनों ही टीम का, उतनी ही ज़्यादा तेजी से फाउल का स्कोर्स भी बढ़ रहा है. You know, at this moment, Esporto Queens, I'm sorry, has 3 points, but also the foul count is 3. और सवाई टाइगर्स की बात की जाए तो उनका स्कोर इस वक्त 3 पॉइंट है और फाउल इनके 2 हो चुके हैं.
Even with
And
the
we are
first,
only in the first half.
exactly. Even with the first match, we saw the same thing happening. The fouls were increasing,
Yeah,
even though the scores were not.
that's a beautiful shot.
Time left. 1 minute.
बहुत ही अच्छा
20
बास्केट
seconds.
था. एस्पोर्टो क्वींस ने लीड बनाई.
Melody is playing with an injury, and I salute her sportsmanship to be on court, to risk everything, to risk
Time left.
making the injury
1
worse.
minute. 9 seconds.
I don't know what sort of
minute,
mentality do
9
these
seconds.
athletes have. You know, it's really commendable. ये नहीं हो सकता, मेरे से तो बिल्कुल नहीं हो सकता यार.
1
Definitely,
minute,
definitely.
7
You know, I have
seconds.
cancelled so many times just because I had cold, I had cough. There you see
1
her on the
minute,
court. She's wearing a
7
mask. Her
seconds.
nose is completely bruised and injured. उसके बावजूद भी she hasn't missed a single match yet.
She hasn't. She's given her all. She's not just her all, she's
And
given
the
more than what
clock's
she could
time
promise,
is
so,
off.
which is very, very important. Shout out to Melody.
And ऐसा भी नहीं है
57
कि वो बाकी की
seconds to
टीम
go.
प्लेयर्स जो है उनको थोड़ा संभल के खेल रहे हैं. No, they are playing the
57
natural game.
seconds
They're
to
not
go.
seeing
The
seeing
time
कि इसको
is
इंजरी हुई है तो हम थोड़ा डेलीकेटली खेलेंगे. That's not the case.
They're
They are
holding
being
up.
raw. They are being tough.
They're holding up the spirit of the game.
Yeah.
Definitely. Beautiful shot drained by Pooja.
And you know, the support also इस मैच में काफ़ी ज़्यादा हो रहा है. Cheering वेयरिंग काफ़ी ज़्यादा हो रही है. And also all the people who are
42
watching this
seconds
match
to
right
go.
now, who are listening to us on
The clutch time is
Sportwood
on.
app,
42 seconds to
stay
go.
tuned for all the next matches क्योंकि अगला मैच जो होने वाला है, amazing match.
It is. I'm excited for
Old
that
school
one.
ballers. I mean, you know, just like every franchise, every league has a star team. I'm not saying that other teams are not, but इनकी fan following की जो level है, you know, every time they play the match, there are almost like 70 to 80 people here supporting them,
30
rooting for them to
seconds
win.
to
Aside
go.
from the teammates, the coaches.
Old school is a crowd favorite, hands down, any day. Beautiful shot by Sakshi, deep 3.
20 seconds to go.
Sanjana goes in for it. Assist, Ajmera assists her, and there it goes. Beautiful assist that was, don't you think?
10, 9, 8. 8 seconds to go.
8 seconds to go. The clutch time has been
8
on.
seconds to go.
I think this is going to be a very high scoring game, especially in the second half.
6,
क्योंकि जो foul count है, अगर आप देख रहे हो,
3,
अगले हाफ में
1.
उसका एडवांटेज लेने की पूरी कोशिश करेगी सवाई टाइगर्स की टीम बिकॉज सिर्फ और 2 फाउल्स एंड आफ्टर एवरी सिंगल फाउल सवाई टाइगर्स विल गेट 2 शॉट्स.
Definitely.
basket.
Definitely, yes. Let's see how high the scores can reach. It's half time, and both the games are busy planning the next strategy.
The
Yeah,
score
I
is
think ना यार
7-10, 7-12 in favor of Astro Queens.
what do you recommend अगर हाफ टाइम होता है तो you want to discuss the game plan with your own teammates who are on the court with you or you want to discuss the team plan with the coach?
Everybody knows.
What do you think is better? No, because sometimes the players have a different tuning with each other.
True.
कई बार वो चीज़ आपको बोल पाएंगे ना कि अपने कोच को बोल पाएंगे. तो इस
True.
टाइम पे क्या बेटर होता है?
I feel like the better my go-to would be discussing with my coach because in the end my coach knows all, right? The coach is my guru, so I would go to him for any advice, be it basketball, be it life,
I agree.
be it boyfriends.
I agree with you. Also, one thing is just I'm just telling very honestly. I think अगर मैं ये बास्केटबॉल स्ट्रीट बॉल लीग खेलता तो मुझे निकाल दिया जाता because I just don't know, I don't have the patience. अगर you know if I'm playing the first half and if I'm coming and sitting, I need to rest at least for like 5 to 6 or at least 2 to 3 minutes यार. It's not easy. ये game jumping game है. You have to be on the court. और इतना छोटा सा court है, street format है. You have to be so quick on your foot. You have to jump all the time. तो उसके लिए मेरे को at least यार इतना rest तो करना ही होता है यार.
Basketball is one of the fastest games that there is,
And उसके बावजूद जब आप half time में आके बैठते हैं, there's your coach telling you have to do this.
तब तुम थके हुए रहते हो,
Exactly.
information भी process करनी रहती है, पानी भी
Exactly.
पीना रहता है, injury हुई तो उसको भी tend करना रहता है.
Absolutely.
It's a lot to juggle, but yes, that is why they are here. They're the best of the best. Here
Best
to
of the
showcase.
best.
Yes.
Absolutely.
Here to showcase what they really have. And the game's back in action. Gio tries to drive in, but misses. Sahiba with the ball to Sakshi. Sakshi tries to drive in. And, she gets blocked by Pooja.
That was a beautiful block.
It was. Gio to Arya. Arya tries to
Perfect
convert.
timing on that.
Oh my. The ball just came back at her. Sakshi to the rim, and she almost connects. Ajmera to Gio. Oh my. Tiny fumble there. Sakshi with the ball once again. Oh my. Suddenly all their shots are going haywire.
Time left.
Yeah.
4 minutes, 10 seconds.
I think they are just at this moment they just want to score
4
some
minutes,
points.
10 seconds.
Especially Savai Tigers because वो 5 पॉइंट से पीछे हैं. तो मेरे
True.
ख्याल से इस वक्त सिर्फ यही इंटेंट है कि स्कोर बढ़ाए जाएं स्कोर बोर्ड पर किसी ना किसी तरह से.
That was a beautiful step back by Arya. If only it would have been drained. We have the crowd yelling out some support for both the teams. Oh my, that just got interrupted by Sakshi. Sahiba plays post and almost connects. Pooja to Sanjana.
You know, next time whenever we do this commentary thing,
Uh-huh.
अगले मैच में हम ट्राई करेंगे. You know, we will try to say some proverbs, some shairis, like it happens in other sports. I think it will be more interesting for the listeners to, you know, hear.
Is that what you think so?
I think it is going to make more interesting.
3 minutes, 20 seconds.
All the viewers, tell us what you think about what Shivam just said.
Time left.
Drop it in the comments, guys.
I mean, I'm just saying, मेरे ख्याल से वो काफी इंटरेस्टिंग बन जाता है एक पॉइंट पर. You know, अगर गेम
तुम
रोमांचक हो
basketball
और
match
उसके
के
ऊपर
बीच
अगर
में
आपकी कमेंट्री भी प्रिसाइसली इंटरेस्टिंग हो,
अच्छा कि तुम बास्केटबॉल मैच के बीच
वो
में
कहते हैं
शायरी
ना
सुनाओ.
सोने पर सुहागा, cherry on the cake.
Definitely. All our viewers, please drop your views into the comments. We need to know how this goes from here. If everybody is in Shivam's favor, I will do the mehnat of learning a couple of shairis for y'all.
Time left.
शायरी से मतलब
2
मुहावरे,
minutes,
And
not proper
58
शायरी.
seconds.
No,
ठीक है.
मुहावरे.
Understood,
2
Shivam.
minutes.
Yes.
58 seconds.
Upas.
Both the teams are intensely planning the next moves. This is an important match for both teams. Let's see how it goes
Time
from
left.
here.
2 minutes, 58 seconds.
ऑफिशियल ने अभी अभी समझाया हमको बताया सभी को कि यहाँ पर इस मैच को समाप्त होने में 2 मिनट.
Every day, 1,000s of tournaments take place globally. Millions of young athletes participate in these games. Each one of these emerging athletes deserves to get in the limelight. But why isn't that happening? Most sporting bodies think about live streaming their games to give as much exposure to these young talent. But they would instantly think, it is so expensive. The setup is time-consuming and really complicated. Or even where do I find the most reliable and cost-efficient service providers? What if we tell
With the ball. Sakshi is a beautiful game, yeah. I can watch her for hours. मैं तो payment भी कर दूँ यार साक्षी का game देखने के लिए. She's a beautiful game. She's built also very beautifully. She
But the
has
best part is you can watch her for free at Sportvote app.
Yes, Shivam. I will remember that. Thank you so much. Wonderful pass.
बहुत ही amazing game चल रहा है. You know, the passing is going on extremely well. You know, I just want to know it from a perspective because I'm very curious to know this thing. मेरे को पहले भी पूछना था, but वो game समाप्त हो चुका था. That's why I thought कि I should ask this now. कि you know when there's a men's match, you know men's do this thing धक्का वक्का मारना, you know sometimes they also tend to abuse, which is not right. But in the heat of the moment it happens.
They do.
जब women's का matches होता है court पर, you know what is that one thing that furious like makes the athletes angry? जो
मेरे
like they actually piss them off.
या मेरे एक्सपीरियंस से ना वुमेन्स के मैचेस में ना बहुत बकबक होता है, ऐसा बहुत एक दूसरे को जाके ऐसा ना
Like
बोल के
what?
आते
Can you
हैं वो
please
लोग।
like give us an example which can be like politically correct yet people get an perspective of
A
what?
lot of times if anybody from us is taking an attempt, तो सामने वाला टीम जाएगा अरे नहीं जाएगा, अरे नहीं जाएगा, अरे फिर सामने वाला टीम एक दूसरे बंदे उसकी टीम के बंदे को बोलेगा कि अरे टेंशन ना ले, तो कुछ घंटा इसका शॉट जाने वाला है, तो
okay.
फिर वो जो शॉट ले रहा है ना वो थोड़ा चिढ़ जाता है कि तुम ऐसे कैसे मेरे को बोल रहे हो, फिर वो ईगो आ जाता है और फिर शॉट जाता भी नहीं है।
Right.
But yeah, that happens a lot. Oh my.
And what is the worst thing that you seen कि एक women athlete ने basketball court पे की हो? You know, due to anger or
2 minutes,
frustration,
6 seconds.
ऐसा कुछ देखा हो, experience किया हो अपने दौरान अपने experiences से या फिर कभी किसी और WNBA matches में?
Women na by nature are very aggressive, especially on court. So you can't really predict what they're going to do next. But usually मेरे experience से what I've seen is match के end में losing team का कोई captain वैप्टन आएगा, पहले तो हमारा जो courtesy का handshake होता है ना, this sportsmanship handshake that we do before and after the match, वो तो करते नहीं है, हाँ वो लोग ऐसे आएंगे हाथ हटा देंगे फिर, तो that is one thing that बहुत चिढ़ चढ़ती है मेरे को उससे, फिर आके ऐसा बास्केटबॉल को फेंक देंगे, that's actually a technical foul by the way,
2 minutes to
but
go.
they'll come and they'll slam the ball hard on the ground, on the court, and then the ball will go flying and the referee will be like, अरे भाई क्या चल रहा है?
Okay.
They keep doing all these things. So women have a very passive aggressive way of expressing their anger, which is very very cool, but not meant for the basketball court.
Is that same thing on the court? It is very interesting for me to hear that because, for the people who have not seen too many women's matches in basketball, because ज़्यादा platform नहीं था अब तक until street ball league happened. It is very interesting to hear that.
True, I mean women can be very very feisty with the way they act and the way they talk.
1 minute,
इतना जल्दी नहीं
43
सटकता है,
seconds.
but
1 minute,
एक बार सटका ना भाई, फिर
43
फिर हम तुम्हें छोड़ेंगे नहीं, वैसा सीन हो गया है with women.
Okay.
Once you are on our red list, then gone. We'll ensure every action and every word is directly aimed at you when you know it is aimed at you.
Also अगले मैच की बात की जाए तो अगले गेम की बात की जाए, it is Fair Play Kings versus
Crowd favorites, old school ballers.
old school ballers.
1 minute, 20
Beautiful layup by Sanjana.
सिर्फ 20 सेकंड दूर हैं हम क्लच टाइम से.
Clutch time is the most interesting thing ever.
time out,
And Espoto Queens
1
have taken a
minute,
time out.
12 seconds to go.
30 सेकंड का
let's
टाइम आउट
see.
होता है.
We have 12 seconds to the
But
clutch time.
what do you think कि 30 सेकंड में क्या-क्या बातें हो जाती होंगी एक टीम के डगआउट में बैठे-बैठे कि क्या होना चाहिए, क्या नहीं होना चाहिए, या फिर in that time some players also want to take a rest, have a sip of water. तो इस 30 सेकंड
Brain power पक्का बढ़ गया मेरा बास्केटबॉल
और
खेल के.
अब बस आखिरी के कुछ सेकंड बाकी हैं जिसके बाद क्लच टाइम शुरू हो जाएगा.
Yes, boss.
Which means in a few minutes from now,
1
just
minute to
2 to
go,
3 minutes,
60 seconds to go. The clutch time is on.
सिर्फ 60 सेकंड बाकी हैं.
Yes.
59 seconds.
Dhruv is on the court. Dhruv has this very, he never shows how angry or pissed he is.
59 seconds.
He has this very
The clutch
calm
time is
aura
on.
about him.
I think whenever I've seen Dhruv play, because I've seen him play a couple of times, Dhruv is only angry I mean, he gets pissed off during the match, but he never says it until the match is over.
He doesn't.
Until he is on the court, he only wants team to be together and play the game plan they already have decided.
Yes.
Uske alawa, he does not miss a single thing in the game.
That is something I respect about him a lot, because he really knows how to channel his emotions and where and when to let it out. So he's one of the most calmest people to go to. Like, you know, you'll be having a crisis and you go and talk to Dhruv and everything will just sound a lot more better after you talk to him. Because he'll make you realize that bhai, the world is not falling apart.
Also, the first time when I saw Dhruv play, you know, there's some players, when you see them watch, you think that it's better if you don't go and talk to them, because you don't expect what he is going to be like or she's going to be like.
True.
When I went to talk to Dhruv for the first time, I thought कि थोड़ा सा aggressive nature होगा, maybe he'll be a little arrogant because he plays such amazing game. But when I went and talked to him, he was super approachable dude, super friendly, and super, you know, वो लोग होते हैं जो आपको advice देते हैं अच्छी सी, जो
Yes.
आपको help करती है. Even as a commentator, even as an MC, he's given me some inputs the last season. This season I'm here as well.
You know, I had the same experience with him. So I did not know
8
Dhruv personally
seconds
until about
to go.
a couple of months back, when he reached out to me about this TV series commercial that
Right.
by NBA India. And he reaches out to me and I was like, अरे भाई मैं बात करूँ कि ना करूँ, मैं बात करूँगी तो उड़ा देगा मेरी तो सबके सामने.
Yeah.
You know, बहुत डर रहता था ध्रुव से बात करने को. I used to be like, you know, he's probably arrogant, he's probably gonna judge me.
5,
But the minute I started talking to him, he's like one of the most homely people ever.
1.
And that is the final
And-
whistle. इसी के साथ में सवाई टाइगर्स ने इस मैच को जीत लिया है. बहुत ही क्लोज मुकाबला रहा है, पूरा गेम बहुत ही क्लोज गेम था. एंड एट द एंड सवाई टाइगर्स टॉस भले ही हारे हो, बट यू नो द गेम was in their hand.
And what I'd like to point out was the Savai Tigers were the underdogs in this match. The Esperto Queens were always in lead, and clutch time flipped it all over again.
And that is why Streetball League, especially the clutch time, is something to look up to.
It can do miracles for everybody. With that, ladies and gentlemen, we will catch you at the third match.